Hello you guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's food chat episode, Valentine's edition, we're going to be making the fastest and easiest treat you can give to your loved one this Valentine's Day. Yes, a crepe cake. Because I know it's not that hard to make. We made it with 0 measurements, right? Hard to believe. Just kidding, no, but we really didn't use measurements. So come with us to make this delicious cake. Thank you for joining on this messy journey. We never baked this cake before. I don't know if you can tell, but you can see you can bake with no measurements, just using your sense of taste, and it tasted really good. I know it doesn't look like it, but thank you so much and see you in the next video. Bye!